7:55 on my phone and on my laptop. If you're ready, say I'm ready.
Ready.
Excellent. Good to see your faces pop back in. Guys, getting off to a quick start is just that. 100% up to you. You get to determine how fast you get out the gate. And the most important thing about this is you are creating your story right now. So the first thing you got to do, I'm going to give you 5 things that you need to do to get off to an amazing start. You guys want to hear them?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Thing number 1, you need to decide you're either in or out. 1% doubt, you're out. The light is either on or off. Dim is on. If you're even a little bit in, you're in. Number 2, you need to pick a position. You're either going to be a financial edge member or you want to be a financial director and get paid as well. But either way, we're income shifting. We're either income shifting and we're going to pass on the 10 ways that we get paid, or we're income shifting and we would like to receive any pay that comes from any referral we make going forward for the rest of our lives. How we doing so far?
Got it.
Awesome.
Try to take it all in.
Number 3, you want to schedule a quick start session with your expert. Your expert might not be the person that's actually introducing you to the business. They might be an expert in training. And so they'll put you in connection with their senior director or their area director who's going to do a roadmap training with you. This roadmap session only takes about 15 to 30 minutes if you have questions. 15 just to share what it is, another 15 for your questions to get you out the gate really strong. Number 4, you want to schedule a private Zoom. You want one of these, but you want it just for you and your friends and your family. You want it personal. The easiest way to do it is first schedule something as close to today as you possibly can, and then you make a list of the 15 sharpest people you know. These are the people that if Bill Gates and Oprah Winfrey came to you today and said, I want to invest, we want to invest our resources in you, but we need to know the 15 board of directors you're going to bring to this venture. Who would be the first 15 people you call? Then you also want to make a list of because these are the people, the first 15 are the people that if they see this business and they do it, they would kill it. The second 15 people I want you to make a quick list of are the people that if you do this business and you're successful, they will kill you if you didn't tell them about it. These are your closest friends and family. They're probably in your call log. Y'all been talking all day. Now you have a miracle in your mouth that you can share with them. Is this making sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then the 5th thing. You guys ready for the 5th thing?
Go.
I don't think y'all ready. What was the 2nd thing?
Pick
Pick a position.
Okay, that's all right. What was the 3rd thing?
Schedule a
Make
quick.
Do a quick start session.
Quick start and make the list of your 15.
So what was the 1st thing?
Decide are you in and out.
Okay, so what was the 4th thing again?
Schedule
Schedule a private Zoom.
Give a
Okay,
private
so here's the 5th thing, guys. This is the most important one. No matter what happens, never, ever quit. No matter how right it goes or how wrong it goes, never, ever quit. How can you quit on people fixing your finances, knowing that you're going to be talking about finances for the rest of your life and turning down those checks? But I caution you, beware of the dream stealers. Guys, there's only 9 or 10 negative people in the whole world, but they get around a lot. And they're waiting for you to get off this Zoom so they can tell you every reason why this won't work for you. So when they do that, let's make an agreement. Can you guys promise me something? Promise me up front, you're gonna love it. Can you do something for me?
Yeah.
When people try to talk you out of it and say, you know what, stop doing it, ask them, well, if let's just say I stop doing this, what do you have for me that's going to help me get my family financially free?
Absolutely.
What do you think they're going to have for you?
Nothing.
Nothing.
And so
Nothing.
when that nothing happens, here's what I need you to do. I want you to lovingly, caringly, respectfully look them in the eye and tell them, then shut up. Because what if this was that thing that could get me where I need to be, and you're telling me not to do it, and you don't have anything for me? Was that 5 minutes worth your time?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
absolutely.
God bless you guys. I look forward to seeing your execution of those high five. You're gonna get off to an amazing start. I look forward to celebrating your success.
Okay, thank you, Sean.
Thank you.
Mr. Martina. Always
All right.
awesome.